What do you see down there?
A pirate ship.
A pirate ship? What does that mean?
That means we're pirates.
Yeah? What do pirates say?
Arr. Oh. We're going to pirate row. No. Mama, it's real. Is that a real pirate ship?
Honey, it's just a fun flag.
But it's real.
It's a real fun flag. You're right.
No, I mean it's a real. It's a real. It's raining.
Careful, guys. It's going to be slippery.
It's a real pirate ship, isn't it?
No closer, guys.
Mommy.
Harg.